Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see the real user review of this IFB washing machine, which is Senator Plus SRS 8 kilo 1200 rpm front load washing machine. See here, this is the power on, and for this review video what I'm going to do is I'll be just putting on the clothes here just like a demo video, and I'll also operate this 5-star. See here, we'll read the brand IFB Senator Plus SRS 8012/2022 model, which is front load, and the load capacity 8 kg and it consumes 8.9 liter per kilo. Yeah. So now I just checked the online, maybe the next versions came with 1400 rpm, this Senator Plus only. Yeah, these are the options: Express Plus, Synthetic Daily, and for setting each option the time will vary. I'll show you with the practical example. And the user has kept this one also, the water purifier. This water purifier makes hard water into the soft water, just to convert that, because the area where the user house is located, they'll get some hard water. So the technician, the IFB technician, asked them to keep this converter, means filter, so that the hard water will be filtered and soft water will be get into this IFB for washing. So that is around 2000 rupees if possible, and that is from the IFB brand only. The technician from the IFB only fitted that. And see here, this is the front load, and just keep some clothes here. Yeah, just for the sample purpose I'm just putting very little clothes into the tub here. The tub is made of quality stainless steel, and the user is using this IFB washing machine for the past 3 years. Okay, there is no damage, no issues, but only one issue, that is with the hard water. So the technician appeared to the user home, and he suggested to place that water filter so that it will purify hard water and make it into soft water. Yeah, that is the only thing. They need to consult the IFB technician, and I'll just lock the door. And this is where you need to put in the liquid. Actually, this washing machine liquid will be there now, and just put it. Actually, there is a measuring cup given with this IFB washing machine, but just for the tutorial purpose I'm just pouring it somewhat, which will be enough for this clothes what I have put in just now. So what I'll do is, the power switch is already turned on, so I'll be pressing this so that it has started. There is a display. See here, this is the timer. 8 kilo load, 1200 rpm, right? Yes. And this is the temperature and the delay start. Steam, it is set into steam. Extra rinse, soak, pre-wash, means we can select that particular option there. And this is the dial, you can rotate. See here, the options are getting changed. Mixed solid, right? Mixed solid plus, cotton normal, anti-allergic, baby wear, cotton, means according to the clothes what you put in the tub, you need to set that item. So for example, as I put very less clothes in the tub right now, what I'll do is I'll be keeping it to express wash, because if I keep it to other options it would take somewhere like 1.5 hours, right? So what would I'll be keeping is express wash, so that it will take 30 minutes only. Express in the sense quick wash. So as I kept very little amount of clothes, yeah, you just need to turn on the tap automatically, because this takes water automatically, as this is a front load automatic washing machine of 5-star. So yeah, if I set to the function here, and it will automatically take the water, and the display will be shown here. Right now it is showing 1 hour and 51 minutes because I kept that in the mixed thing, means cotton or means more number of cloths. Okay, but what I'll do is I'll change it from mixed to this one, express wash. So yeah, I'll be pausing that. You can click on this and pause it here, and you can restart it here with the first button here. Okay, I'll tell the user experience now. The clothes which are being washed through this IFB refrigerator were very good. There is no odor, they are looking very fresh. That is what the user has expressed. And coming to the power consumption, electricity bills, the user expressed that there is very minimal power bill, not more power consumption. This is 1200 rpm. Okay, so it takes decent amount of electricity, but they are pretty happy that as this is 5-star, it is taking very little consumption of energy, so that less power bills monthly. And that too, the clothes freshness is good, it is washing perfectly. And coming to the times they feel the amount of washing time, they feel like a bit more, means 1.5 hour or 2 hours they felt bit more. Maybe now the latest washing machines, maybe there will be some reduced timing. Yeah, and I'll check the online details also along with this review. The user purchased this IFB refrigerator, so the washing has been completed. See here, they're looking fresh and clean within 13 minutes because I kept it in express wash. The user has purchased this for 38,000 in the offline store, and this is the next version, IFB 8 kg powered by AI. And now this one 2025 and 2026 here, and with the 5-star with 1400 rpm, fully automatic front load from the same brand IFB. Now there is advancement in the technology. Yeah, please do comment your opinion, and if anyone are using IFB washing machine, please do share your experience also. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.